different than my other videos. I decided to film a date night, so it's been a while since the parents have been out and about. So y'all can just follow us along, and I hope you all enjoy the content.
I wonder if this is love, if this is enough. If I mess this up, I'll be full of regret. I don't wanna mess around. That's not how I'm living now. I need a godly man. Is this love? It's on you if it's up to me. Don't wanna rush. Is it enough? Do I know you? Do you know the real me? This can only happen once. Marriage is more than just physical. This here is spiritual. A man and a woman become one.
Right in the corner? Imagine them up blowing 10 times harder than that. At negative something degrees. 27 degree weather. That shit was cold. What's going on? About to go get some good food. Maybe watch us a movie or something. You know what I'm saying? Feel weird not having the kids with us.
I know.
Because we always got the kids every time we get to, we go somewhere. So all praises, man. We out here. You know what I'm saying? Get the date. Do the date night tonight.
Sweet love, you know I love you. My heart, it beats for you. I know we ain't got much, but love has sealed our fate. One day we'll be joint heirs, and that is worth the wait. You lead our family with the fear of the Most High. Using His words, you're never doing your own thing, and I'm forever indebted, my King. May we endure to the end. Two is better than one, and I'm so thankful I belong to you.
So we made a pit stop at Barnes & Noble, y'all. This used to be my favorite place to go when I was in college. I would get Starbucks and grab a book and just sit there for hours reading a book, y'all. So we're just waiting on our food, waiting on a text so that we can sit and eat. And then from there, we're gonna head to a movie.
I was made for you, you were not made for me. Because of you, I have my being. Oh, protector and provider is what you are.
Sometimes I know we disagree. Seem like we both on different pages. It's like we're riding on a roller coaster, the ups and downs. But I only want it with you, babe.
About to go see his devotion. Just got finished eating that good old food at the Cheesecake Factory. Oh my goodness. And they had this drink called bourbon honey. Fire. The best drink I've ever had in my life. Where we at? We 14?
14.
We out, y'all. We about to roll up in here.
This is what you call love.